Hello everyone, and then welcome to this course on the pattern library. So this is going to be the continuation of our lesson. So in this particular lesson, we are going to work on numerals and the numbers. Okay, so numerals and the numbers. So number is actually going to help us convert a textual number, like the text form of a number, to a numerical value, and then the numerals is going to convert the numerical, that's the number, okay, to text. When I say text, like word. Okay, so let's see that in action. Okay, if I didn't explain it well, but let's see that in action. So first we would import from pattern.en, pattern.en. Okay, we would import numeral uh, numerals, comma, and then number. So these methods or functions are being imported, and let's run it. No errors. And then now let's try printing some. So print and then brackets, we are going to do let's say let's put some quotes, 2000 and 23. Okay, so now let's run it and see what we have. Okay, so we have, sorry, I was supposed to bring, okay, so I have to write number, sorry, number. Okay, I think I'm confusing you guys. Let me type everything again. Let me just copy this, then I'll type it again. So let me clear this, then let's type. So print brackets, let's put number, so number, then another bracket, and then the quote, okay, so 2023. So where's the issue? Okay, I have double quotes, take one out and run it. Okay, so you can see we have the numerical representation of 2023 here with the help of the number function or method. Okay, so let's try that again. So I'm just going to copy this, paste this here, and then I'm going to do 20 22 2022. Give me what? 42 20 2022. This wrong. But let's try something. I'll try 100. What's happening? Okay, so it seems not to work with some numbers. Okay, so let's try 3000 and see. Or maybe it works in the thousands. 3000. But let's see. Hundreds. Let me try 100. 100. Okay, works. Okay, so 102. Okay, so now let's try working on numerals. Okay, so numerals, let's do print into bracket numerals. So numerals is going to convert the number, okay, into words. Okay, so numerals in brackets. Then I'm going to type, let's say, 134.467. Okay, and then I can bring comma and then let me round it. So I round it to two decimal places. So two decimal places. Okay, so let's try it and see. So 134.47. Okay, so two decimal places, 1, 2. Okay, so it gets added to the 6. Okay, so it makes 134 and what? Or 0.4047. Okay, let's try one decimal place. So 1, So one decimal place, so 1. So this it should be 134.5. Let's see. I hope that's correct. Yeah. So 134.5. Okay. So let's try another one. So print brackets numerals brackets. Then let's do 100. Sorry, numerals brackets. Let's do 240.5 comma, and then let's round it to two. There's no. Let's see. One decimal place. Then let's run it. So 240 what? 240 point what 5. Okay, because 240.5. Okay, so let me see. Okay, let's add 0 here. Run it and see. Let me add 6. So 240.6. Okay, so one decimal place. So here, so this 6, as usual, is converted to 1 and then it's added to this 5. Okay, which is why we have what? 6. Okay, so even if I should do here 8, just so we know that here it's not because we have 6 here, which is why. So when we run it, we can see we still have the 6. Okay, so this is it for the numerals and the numbers. And then as usual, you might want to just practice on your own. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.